In a class of its own, this refurbished apartment presents a superbly elegant, emphatic style. Situated within what is arguably Noosa's most recognised and highly regarded complexes, Noosa Pacific 2 enjoys direct access to Noosa River waterfront, tennis courts, pool and rooftop entertaining facilities with views. Guests can enjoy the sandy shores of Munna Point and river with a north aspect, just moments from their door. The apartment includes a new crisp white gourmet kitchen with stone benches and stainless steel appliances, open plan living and dining space, wide entertaining terrace overlooking the tennis courts, and 3 well-appointed bedrooms. A second covered terrace can be accessed from the main and second bedrooms via sliding doors. On offer is a rare depth of extras, quality and style in the heart of the very best of Noosa.